Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I've decided to show you guys a very Christmas dinner-esque look, or how you say bougie auntie who has no kids, who has a lot of money, that only shows up to family functions. That's the look I'm showing you guys today. We're gonna get into the video. So you guys already know we're starting off with our brows, so let's just get right into these bad boys. Per usual, I'll be listing all of my products below. You guys already know Plouise Base. Do you guys see that? Look at that mess. You're shitting me right now, right? Are you kidding me? It's alright. Take your brow brush. Like we didn't even see her. Goodbye. Now we blend these baddies out. And to set the brows, I always use mascara. You already know the vibes. This is a good trick for you if your brows are kind of unruly and don't really stay anywhere. My 4C sisters and brothers family, we are gonna use one of the oldest trick in the makeup book, Scotch tape. Honestly, I just use the marks that are on the tape to select my piece size. Now, the most important part is when you're lining up your tape, you just want to make sure it goes from the very corner, most part of your eye, almost basically where your eyeliner would be. Next, you're going to take your eye base. Next, I use my beauty blender to blend all of it. So we're going to start with the darker green, and we're just going to take that onto our outer corner. Build it up. Then we're going to take the same brush and just dip into a lighter shade of green. Tap any excess off your brush and just use that to blend out any harsh lines. Bam. And now we're going to go ahead and take our red shadow and go right into the inner corner of our eye. Anyway, moving on. Again, you want to take the same brush and use a lighter shade, about one shade lighter, just to blend out any harsh lines you may have in your red. Okay, now we're going to take a smaller blending brush and dip right into our black shade, and we just want to use something smaller so that we can be more precise with our placement. So we're taking the black right into your crease and out. It's almost like a liner moment, but we don't want to take the black all the way to the edge here. Okay, next we can go ahead and remove our tape because we don't need her anymore. She can go. So next we're gonna go ahead and take our same blending brushes and just go ahead into that first darkest shade that you dropped into for the green, and use that to blend out this dark shadow. Now we can go ahead and do the same thing in our inner corner with our red shade. Now we're gonna go back in with our black shade again, our small black blending brush, and use that to buff out any other harsh lines you might have. I am also, while we're here, going to use the black to fill in this little corner here. I know it's a lot, but we're just gonna go over with the darkest shade of first green. Dip into our red shade. So next what we're gonna do is go ahead and cut our crease like we normally would. Just like our concealer brush, flat brush. And remember, we wanna use stamping motions just to make sure you're not going outside of where you want to. Take a packing brush and go ahead and pack that color, the darkest green, right onto the outer edge. And same thing with our red. Lastly, my favorite part, we are going to halo this eye. Take this gold shade, and we're just gonna go ahead and pack this right into the center of our halo eye. And bring that right down. And just only bring it out towards the tops. Okay, so you could be done here, but if you want to be extra, which I am, you can go ahead and add a pigment. So we're gonna take a gold pigment right on top of that eyeshadow that we used. So, you know, primer. So now we can go ahead and apply our foundation. Next is concealer, and we're going to use this concealer to kind of clean up any, you see that going on, clean that up. Blend that out with the concealer brush. Next, you're going to follow with your powder to set all of your concealer. You know, we're just taking this and pressing right into our skin. You don't really need to bake too hard, especially because I didn't even use a contour today. Follow with our bronzer and blush. Next, we're gonna proceed with some blush from this same palette. Next, we're gonna go in with our highlighter. Next, I'm gonna set everything with some setting spray. And lastly, it's time to throw on some lippy. You can line your lips, but if you know what you're doing, go for it. next we can put some lashes on. Get your lash glue. I'm gonna take this right along our lash line. So if you did mess up and get any lash glue on your lashes, you can use some mascara between before you stick on your lashes. When you're placing your lashes on, make sure you're looking down so that you can see exactly where the band is going. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my wig on and finish it up, and I'll be right back to show you guys. And that's the finished look. You know, you may be getting very auntie vibes from this, but that's my personality. And this coat, thrifted, baby. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you're here next time I upload another video. I hope you have a good rest of your week. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.